Hi guys, today let us discuss about what is firewall and how it works in brief. So let's get started. What is firewall? A firewall is a network security device, either hardware or software based, which monitors all incoming and outgoing data traffic. So what does hardware or software based mean? In hardware based, we have a dedicated hardware to scan the whole network for security. In software based firewall, we have a software installed in a PC where the firewall action is performed along with all other applications. A firewall establishes a barrier between secured internal network and the outside untrusted network such as the internet. Based on a defined set of rules, firewall either accepts or rejects specific data traffic. Before firewalls, network security was performed by access control list residing on routers. Access control lists are rules that determine whether network access should be granted or denied to specific IP address. But access control list cannot determine the nature of the packet it is blocking. Also, access control list alone does not have the capacity to keep threats out of the network. Hence, the firewall was introduced. This is an example of access control list. Here we have source address, destination address, source port, and destination port. If a data traffic other than the source address, source port, or destination port arrives, what is mentioned in this list is deny. So that data packet will not be allowed, it will be dropped. Next, how the firewall works. Firewall match the network security against the rule set defined in the table. Once the rule is matched, associated action is applied to the network traffic. Here in this table, you can see that for the source IP address 192.168.21.0, the action is deny. So the incoming packet from the network 192.168.21.0 are blocked. Next, for the destination port 23, the action is denied. So the incoming packets for this port 23 is also blocked. Next, for the destination IP address 192.168.21.3, the action is denied. So the incoming packets for this IP address host is also blocked. Next, for the destination IP address 192.168.21.0 and the destination port greater than 1023, the action is allow, which means if the incoming data packets having this mentioned information, the firewall allows the packet inside. Based on the structure of firewall, we have two types, host-based firewall and network-based firewall. Host-based firewall is installed on each network node, which controls each incoming and outgoing packet. It is a software application. So in host-based firewall, we have a software firewall installed in each system. Host-based firewall protects each host from attacks and unauthorized access. Host-based firewalls are needed because network firewalls cannot provide protection inside a network. Next, let us see what is a network-based firewall. Network-based firewall functions on network level. These firewalls filter all incoming and outgoing traffic across the network. It protects the internal network by filtering the traffic using rules defined on the firewall. A network based firewall is usually a dedicated system. Both types of firewalls have their own advantages. So that's all. Thank you.